Okay, let's add a shape to our videos. Yeah, first go to your shape. You can select whichever one you desire. Let's pick the ellipse tool, which is for circle. You can hold shift and draw. Why you're holding shift is just to make the shape even. Yeah, so you can see another graphics layer have been created. So what you have to do is to let's stretch this to the length of the clip. Let's work on the shape. So to work on the shape, you can come to the effect control here and select the shape. So click on this arrow here. You can add stroke to the shape. You can add stroke by taking this. Yeah, you can also remove the fill. Yeah, you can remove the fill. You can change the color of the stroke, probably to red. Okay, yeah, so you can increase the thickness of the stroke. You can make it as thick as whatever you want. Then you can also like go to the position, just click on motion, then you can like drag and drop it whatever shape you want to use. You can put it here to circle this. You can drag it here to circle this, wherever you want to drop it. So this is how you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can drag, you can drop it here, you can drag, you can drop it here. Let's put it here. So yeah, you can also use the shape from here, use the shape from here, you can use the size from here. I mean, you can control it from here too. Yep, you can still add the fill color you want to. You want it to come with the fill, you can add the fill color, and yeah, or you can remove it, whichever way you want. So if you have any question, you can drop your question down below and I'll give you a response in case of any confusion anywhere. Thank you.